Okay, so guys, I dey inside Umuahia, and over there is Aba Road. This road you're seeing here, they are constructing, leads to Aba Road. So behind me, they are constructing the road from over there, and they are coming this way. So I'm going to show you guys how far the road construction has gotten so far. So guys, as you can see, the government is not only constructing major roads, they are also constructing roads even inside villages. This is Ohobo Afara, very close to Madonna Catholic Hospital. Now, this is the entrance of the road. You can access this road through one of the junctions, in along Aba Road there. You can see they have already done some asphalting. I don't know if they're going to do recoating. I don't know, but you can see the road is super nice. Now, this road used to be very bad. In fact, all the roads along Aba Road there, the junctions, all those the roads there, many of them, they are bad. But the government of Abia State has remembered these roads now, and they are fixing the roads. I'm not just going to show you just one. I'm going to show you two roads in this video that are under construction. So guys, you can see they are almost done with this particular one. They're almost done. I'm going to take you to the one that is very close. In fact, the road beside Madonna Hospital, the bad road beside Madonna Hospital, that one too is under construction. So watch this video down to the end if you want to see the other road that is under construction. So not just people living in the town that will be enjoying good roads. Now people living in communities, rural areas will also, benefit from the road construction that the government is using to show their love. So I'm driving down to the junction that will connect you to Aba Road. From there, I'm going to take you close to Madonna Hospital. There's a road beside Madonna Hospital. That one too is under construction. If you know Umuahia well, you'll be conversant with this environment, with this place I am right now. This is Aba Road. Yeah. And you can see the drainage, they're also covering the drainage. The places that are open, they are, building converts and covering it up, concrete convert and covering it up. Now, this is Madonna Hospital in front of us. This is Madonna Catholic Hospital. You can see the drainage too, they are covering it up. And you can see this drainage stretches down. The road is under construction. So let's go down and see what they are doing, ahead of us. With the road construction that is, spreading across everywhere in Abia State. Now, most people now that live in the town where they have good roads, it's not that they are living there because they even want to live there, but just because of the good roads. Now, such people can also relocate. Now they can decongest, some places, those places that have good roads. Those places now can be decongested. People can now live anywhere they want to live in and not be scared of, oh, the road is bad. How am I going to be able to drive through that road? No. Road construction now, they go on everywhere. If I go reach everywhere, I pray say may reach my community soon. What is happening in Abia State right now is what the people prayed for, for many years. The celebration that, took place the day His Excellency Dr Alex Otti won or was announced the winner of the election, the type of celebration that took place that day is what it's because what the people were expecting from the government, from his government, is actually what is going on in the state with massive road construction everywhere, all over the state, not just in Umuahia, not just in Aba, also in Arochukwu, in Ohafia, different places, everywhere in Abia State, work they go on. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be among the first people to watch the video. So guys, this is another road construction around Federal Low-Cost Housing Estate, Ohokobe Afara. But if you keep going down, you're going to bust out at Abama Gate, here in Umuahia, Abia State. This road is just after Gradale, like the junction after Gradale International Secondary School along that Olokoro Road. People will be say they get houses for here. People will be say they live around here. Their businesses they here. They very happy now because before this road no even dey motorable. You understand? You know they motorable. In fact, motorable self na promotion. During rainy season, this road no even dey leggable. Like you know, if you to waka for this road na problem. Where you want match leg na problem. If you just pull leg, make you just fall for ground. You understand? So they very happy say they come they see all these heavy duty machine. Then say they come here, come they construct road. Before they think say na just they will just see heavy duty machine today. Maybe next week it go disappear. You no see anybody again. No, this one now be say they day here they work every day to make sure say they deliver this road. Make people they live for here feel use and make the people wait here make them enjoy waiting from government and come. You know understand? If you never subscribe to my channel, I beg kindly click the subscribe button and notification bell above. So whenever I drop a new video, you will just get notification. Bim, say oh man, video don't drop. You know understand? And I beg message to our landlords them. I beg now government they construct this road. No be una construct them. No be say government go construct this road finish now. Now go carry rent way, now go just double rent, increase rent. And I beg money no there anywhere. Muna still live on a rent way take deal. You understand?